What is going on, cryptocurrency investors? My name is Landon. You're watching Blockchain. I provide multiple cryptocurrency news videos each and every day and try to cover the topics that matter the most to you. Commenting below and engaging with me is your best way to find out information about projects that you want to know more about, or to keep yourself up to date with the hyper-evolving markets of blockchain technology. Typerium is probably the best opportunity for anybody interested in looking into investing in an ICO. By just participating in the Bounty Rewards program, you set yourself up for a life-changing amount of cryptocurrency that can really make a difference. Check the website out for yourself and drop your email to be notified when the token sale goes live. The cryptocurrency markets are a healthy $435 billion. We have yet to see a retracement since blowing past 400 billion, even 425 billion. Keep yourself up to date by subscribing and clicking the white bell notification button so you don't miss out on any of the content as I continue to cover the global market capitalization. Following me on Twitter is your best way to stay up to date. I post cryptocurrency news all day long as it happens. And let me know in the comments below. I'm thinking about doing a 9 a.m. coffee and crypto type stream where I go over the overall markets, what has happened, and where we are likely to head. The purpose of today's video is very short and sweet. It's a warning to all cryptocurrency investors, as I always report on any malicious activity so you guys can be informed of what's going on. MyEtherWallet MEW has been hacked, and here is how you can stay safe. MyEtherWallet is a popular wallet generator for Ethereum and Ethereum-based ERC20 tokens. More than 150,000 USD in stolen crypto has now moved through the attacker's wallet address. A well-known hacking technique was used that hijacked the Google domain name system registration servers at about 7:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This subsequently allowed the hacker to redirect MyEtherWallet to a phishing website. The company sent an alert out to users soon after the attack and now says the website is working properly and secured. Phishing websites are essentially fake imitation websites designed to look identical to the real thing. Once you log in and enter your information, the thieves have everything they need to steal your funds or use your information. To stay safe, the best thing to do is always double check and make sure you entered the URL correctly, as common typos are a very big target for these phishing websites. Always look for the green SSL certificate next to the address when dealing with cryptocurrency wallets or anything related to security of cryptocurrency. It's also important when using cryptocurrency exchanges to enable some form of two-factor authentication like Google Authenticator. However, that's not available on MyEtherWallet, so it's not applicable in this case. MyEtherWallet put out a guide on their GitHub for tips on how not to get scammed and phished, just like this hack that just happened. For example, the MyEtherWallet.github would have a typo in it or not be spelled the exact way it is. And it is due diligence on your part. The onus is on you. As these markets are unregulated, investing in projects that you're not so sure of is a one-way ticket to lose your cryptocurrency and hard-earned fiat that you use to transfer into those crypto markets. So stay safe and do all of your research. Support accurate and organically grown channels. If you think a channel might be buying their views or subscriptions, which I know many in the crypto space do, be aware of fraudulent activity in every respect. A channel might be saying something and it might look legit because they have a lot of subscribers, but not everything is as it seems. So do your due diligence in making sure everything you're investing in and everything you are transacting with is the real deal. And skepticism is king. Tweet about it, look on Reddit, make a thread on Reddit if you're concerned about something, or comment on any one of my videos because I respond to every single comment and we can get your issue addressed. That is part of growing a like-minded community of cryptocurrency enthusiasts as this market continues to evolve and generate momentum, becoming a multiple trillion-dollar market. We will have a very strong, active, accurate, and honest community, just like the morality base of blockchain technology. That's been a quick scam update from Blockchain. My name is Landon. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned as we approach 5,000 subscribers and continue to release multiple videos every single day. Thanks again for watching Blockchain. My name's Landon, and take care, everybody.